how to change your cursor settings, cursor colors, and lots of things. So let's start. If you want to change your cursor settings, cursor size, what you have to do, you have to click on settings, then you'll find there is a device option. You have to click it on device. From that you have to click on mouse, then you have to go to the additional mouse options. Here you can see there is a pointer. You have to click on pointer. From that you can change the any type of pointer you want. If you want working in background, if you want text select, pointer option. From pointer option you can change. If you want the pointer trail option, you can click on snap to display pointer options. From that, let's see, the pointer is trailing. If you want this, then you have to simply apply an OK. So if you want to short and long, this is the short, this is the long. How we can change. One thing, if you want to pointer, if you want to like this, pointer options, okay, then you have to click on apply and OK. Another way, I will show you the another way you can get it. You have to right click on the screen, personalize, to click on themes, then you have to click on mouse cursors, pointer options, and the pointers. From here, if you don't like these types of cursor properties, if you want to different type of cursor properties, you have to click on browse. Then you have to find it, lots of cursor settings. So cursor settings over here, you can choose it. This is, you select this one, the preview options will appear over here. You can see from the preview options which cursor you want to. Then you have to click on open. This is the another way you can change your cursor properties. Thank you. Now I will tell you how to customize your mouse, cursor or pointer in Windows 10. There are variety of ways through which you can change cursors in Windows 10. So let's start it. For that, you have to click on here, then click on settings, click on personalizations, click on colors. Then you have to select high contrast settings. From this you can see this is a high contrast settings. Turn on high contrast. You can on it. Click on mouse pointer. There is you can see there is a white, black. Customize, you can customize your mouse pointer. You can pointer size, you can also increase the pointer size. Just scroll down, this is the size will increase. You see size, pointer size is increased, and it's white color. If you want to change the color, to click over here, there's a lots of color, custom colors. You can pick a custom pointer color from next color. From here you can select. If I select this color will turn